Tired of carrying multiple items when you're on the go? Introducing the vCommute, the ultimate wallet case for your iPhone 15 Pro. Feature 1. Hidden card slot. Its hidden card slot securely stores your IDs, credit or debit cards, or even transit cards. Plus, it doesn't interfere with Apple Pay. Feature 2. Multi-angle magnetic lock stand. Need to watch a video or take a video call? The foldable leather flap on the back of the case doubles as a kickstand, so you can watch at your desired angle and comfort. Feature 3. Military-grade drop protection. We know accidents happen. That's why the vCommute features military-grade drop protection with corner guard technology. It exceeds military drop test standards, surviving 26 drops from 8 feet high. Feature 4. Precise craftsmanship. It's also about style. With precise cutouts and great tactile buttons, you'll maintain the same great feedback from your phone's buttons. Feature 5. Compatible with magnetic car mounts. Need to use your phone for navigation while driving? The vCommute comes with metal plates incorporated in the flap, so no additional plate or adhesive is needed. Ready to experience the perfect blend of style, function, and protection? Grab your vCommute for iPhone 15 Pro today. Link in the description.